Hi, I'm Terry Crouppen, and I'd like to welcome you to Brown & Crouppen. Let me tell you a little bit about our law firm. Brown & Crouppen started over 25 years ago. Over the years, we've grown from just Ron Brown and myself to a staff of over 65 professionals. During that time, we must have helped 50,000 people. I say people because Brown & Crouppen has always represented people and not big businesses. We've always fought for individuals and families against billion-dollar insurance companies, hospitals, and giant corporations. Ron Brown and I have devoted our lives to fighting for the rights of people just like you. So relax and make yourself comfortable. You've made the right choice. You're at the right place. We're Brown & Crouppen, and we're going to help you. If you're watching this tape, you're almost ready to meet your paralegal who will work in your case at Brown & Crouppen. While you're here, get to know your paralegal because they're going to play an important role in getting you the money you deserve. They'll be the person you call first if you have any information or questions about your case. They're good, intelligent, hardworking people. You're going to be very impressed. It's not uncommon for clients to stay in contact with their paralegal long after their case is finished. Our paralegals are that good. Today we're going to complete the interview process. First, we're going to get all the information we need to start your case. Then we're going to have you sign the papers we need to become your legal representative. These things will allow us to take the first steps in getting you the best compensation possible. Now, let's go over the whole process from beginning to end. First, you're going to get all the medical treatment you need to get yourself feeling better. Trust me, this is the single most important step in the whole process because I promise you, years from now, the money you get from this case will be spent, but you'll still have a limp or a lot of pain if you don't take care of your injury now. Don't miss this opportunity. Fix your injury now. Get all the treatment you need to get the best recovery possible, okay? After your medical treatment is done, contact us immediately so there won't be any delays in your case. We'll then get your medical records as quickly as we can and make a formal demand of compensation to the insurance company. Unless your case is unusual, you should then have your case settled within 90 to 120 days. It sounds simple, but we really do a lot of hard work. So briefly, that's what's going to happen with your case. If you have any more questions, your paralegal or attorney can answer them while you're here. Do you want the good news or the bad news? I'll give you the bad news first. To get you the money you deserve for your injury, we'll probably have to fight a giant billion-dollar insurance company. Let me explain. Giant insurance companies exist for one reason: to make lots of money. They sell insurance and get paid huge premiums that get higher and higher every year. They lose money by paying out compensation to people hurt in accidents, people like you. As you can guess, they really hate to lose money. Fortunately, Brown & Crouppen exists to do just one thing also: to make giant insurance companies pay you what they owe you, every last cent. With our skill and your trust, we won't rest until you get the money you deserve from your accident. I know these two questions are on your mind. How much money will you get, and how fast will you get it? So let's get to it. First, I want you to know that your lawyer at Brown & Crouppen has one goal in your case. From their first day, they're trained to get you as much money as they can, as fast as they can. This is what Brown & Crouppen is known for in St. Louis, and will accept nothing less. The only thing standing in your way is the insurance company, which is the major cause of low, slow payments to people injured in accidents in America. How fast will you get your money is always in the minds of our client. I promise you that under no circumstances will your lawyer do anything that will in any way unnecessarily delay your case. That's an ironclad rule at Brown & Crouppen. The only reason you don't get your money as fast as you need it is, once again, your old friend, the insurance company. Remember, every day they don't settle your case, they get to keep your money and invest it. Yeah, the insurance company doesn't want to settle because they're earning interest on your money. To fight against this, your lawyer and paralegal will do everything in their power to move your case along as fast as our legal system allows. I promise you, we will get you all the money you deserve as fast as we can. In our reception area, you probably saw the video listing all the legal services offered at Brown & Crouppen. Let me briefly go over them so while you're here, maybe you can kill two birds with one stone and get help with some other legal problems. Okay, here goes. We handle car, truck, and motorcycle accidents, workers' comp injuries, medical malpractice, especially cerebral palsy, and failure to diagnose cancer. We help people with mesothelioma and other asbestos-related illnesses. We help people get Social Security disability. We also work in the area of product liability, protecting people injured because of dangerous drugs, bad medicines, faulty automobiles, and other defective products. We also handle Chapter 13 and Chapter 7 personal bankruptcies. If you have any questions about any legal matters while you're here, ask. Even if it's about an area of the law we don't work on, there are some pretty good lawyers here. If they can't help, I'll bet they know someone who can. And while I'm at it, let me tell you something that may surprise you. Did you know that most of our clients come to us not from our TV ads, but from referrals from happy clients who think we did a good job on their case? Yeah, we love referrals. They're the lifeblood of our law firm. So if you know anyone who needs a good lawyer, please think of us. We would very much appreciate it. Okay, we're almost done. It won't be much longer. I've saved the most important for last. I want to talk to you about the service you should expect from the lawyer and paralegal handling your case at Brown & Crouppen. First, your phone calls will be returned promptly, I promise. Second, at all times, you will be treated with respect. You're the reason we exist. You give us the opportunity to do what we're trained to do and what we love to do. Finally, you deserve the highest quality legal service for your very important case. See, we believe every case we work on is important. Sure, some cases involve more money than others, but they all involve people who need our help. At Brown & Crouppen, all our cases are important. Well, that's about it. Oh, one more thing about service. My partner Ron Brown and I will do everything in our power to give you the service you deserve. If you ever feel you're not getting all the attention you need, please let us know. We'll fix it. On screen now is a phone number we have specifically set up just to take calls from people who aren't getting the service they require. We don't get many of these calls, but the ones we get, we listen to, and then we fix the problem. Excellent service to you is our highest priority. Well, that's it. On behalf of my partner Ron Brown and myself and all the dedicated professionals at Brown & Crouppen, I promise you we'll do everything we can to give you the excellent legal service your very important case deserves. Thank you for choosing us to be your law firm. We'll take good care of you, I promise.